back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I conceal my breakouts when I have them without making my skin look cakey. Everybody has breakouts. It's very natural. No matter what we do or how many steps we take to avoid the breakouts, like not eating oily food, drinking lots of water, keeping the skin clean, maintaining hygiene, no matter what we do, when it has to happen, it happens. So what we can do is we can conceal them. I have tried and tested a lot of ways, a lot of methods, but this one works the best for me. So fortunately, unfortunately, I have a friend right here since yesterday, and so I thought of doing this video for you. So let's get started. So I've already moisturized my face really well, and I've also used the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil as a spot treatment for this breakout. Now I'm going to use a primer, and I'm going to use Loreal Base Magique Primer and put it in areas where I tend to get oily and I have large pores. Make sure you have clean hands before you touch your face. I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. It's in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to take some on my hands. Take a tiny brush and put some product on it, and then just apply it very lightly on your breakout. So it instantly kind of takes away the redness from it. Now I'm going to apply a foundation, and the foundation I'm going to use today is a combination of these two. One is the Matte Face and Body Foundation, and the other one is the Fit Me Foundation from Maybelline. And I like to use a combination of these two because this one is very luminous and has a beautiful glow with sheer coverage, and this one adds a little bit of coverage to it. Now taking my Real Techniques sponge, I'm going to dab it all over my face. What I used to do previously, I tried to cover it and used a very heavy layer of foundation. Like, I used to keep on adding products. It made my skin look very cakey. But now what I do is I use the same amount of foundation I would use if I didn't have any breakouts. What I mean to say is, forget that you have any breakout while applying foundation. Now I'm going to add this Colorbar Stay the Day Finishing Mist, just so that it adds a little bit of dewiness to the face, and I'll let it dry. I'm gonna use a little bit of my MAC foundation on top of it, very lightly. Now I'm gonna use a powder, and I'm using MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Apply it on top of the breakout with a very light hand. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just gonna powder my under eyes with the same MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Now I'm gonna contour my face, and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. Then I applied this blush from Maybelline Master Contour Palette. I put some highlighter. It is my favorite highlighter. It's the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. If you have breakouts in areas where you generally highlight, please avoid using highlighter because it will only make your breakout more prominent. In case after applying all these products you still see your breakout peeking through, then you can take your concealer at the back of your hand and use a very precise brush. Pick up some concealer and put it on the breakout. You can very lightly with your fingers just dab that area on top of the breakout, just very lightly, but blend the area around the breakout really well. In that way it'll look more seamless. Okay, so guys, this is my finished makeup look. I wanted this look to be very simple. This routine really helps me a lot whenever I have any breakouts. I hope it helps you too. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.